Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve some MCQ against prime factorization, GCF and LCM. Let's start. First question. 42x square y square plus 63xy cube. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? So first we have to simplify this expression and we will take any one option which is similar. Look, here is 42 and 63. Which one is common? Common is 7, because 42 is 6 times 7 and 63 is 7 times 9. So 7 is our common thing. So greatest common factor is 7. So we can write 7, and x square and x, we can take common x, y square and y cube, we can take common y square. So here is 6, then x, okay, plus here is 9 and y, right? So can we take more thing? Yes, we can take more thing. Question 1. Here is 42 x square y square plus 63 x y cube. So this algebraic expression we have to find out which is equivalent to the expression. So first, look, here is 42 and here is 63. So if we prime factorize, look, 42 we can write 2 times 3 times 7, right? And 63 we can write 3 times 7. Now look, which is the common? Here 7 is a common and here 3 is a common. So common thing is 3 times 7 equals to 21. So we can take common here from 21. So here is one more thing, here is x square and here is x, we also take common x. Here is y square and here is y cube, we also can take common y square. So 42 divide 21, it will be 2, x square divide x, it will be x, y square divide y square, nothing. 63 divide 21, it will be 3, x we already take common, y cube divide y square, it should y. So now which one is which option is correct? Here is 21 x y square times 2x plus 3y. So look, this B 21 x y square 2x plus 3y, and this is our correct answer. So answer is B. Number 2, 12 x square y minus 18 x y square z. So here is also you will find out the right option. So 12 and 18. So which one is common thing? 6 is a common thing. Here is x square and here is x, we can take common x. Here is y and here is y square, we can take common y. So z is not common. We have to find out GCF, greatest common factor. So now look, here is 2, 12 divided 6 is a 2, x square divided x, it will be x, y out, minus 18 divided 6, it should 3, x out, y square divided y, it will be y, and z. So which is common thing? Here 6y times 2x minus 3yz is a common thing. So our right answer is number A. Question 3. 5a square b minus 10 abc plus 5bc square. So what is the common thing? Here is 5, here is 10, here is 5. So we can take common 5. So any more common thing? Look, here is b, and here is b. We can take common b. Okay. Then here is a square, after common 10 divide 5 it will be 2, so minus 2, a and c, b divide b will be out, so ca plus 5 and b out, so here is c square. Now what is the answer? Here is 5b times a minus b whole square, here is 5c a minus b whole square, here is 5a b minus c square, and here is 5b a minus c square, but nothing is here. So we can write 5b, and this one is looking a minus b whole square theory. It means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So similar, this one we can write a minus what? A minus c whole square, and look, number D is our right answer. So answer is D. Hope you understand this one. So number 3 done. Now number 4. Number 4. If x and y are positive integers and 12 cube equals to 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y, what is the value of x plus y? So first, this exponent 12 cube equals to 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y. So this 12 we can write to divide, we can make LCM. So 12, it's a prime factorization. So 12, so here is 6, 2, and here is 3. So we can write this one 2 square times 3 and cube equals to 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y. So this one is 2 to the power 6 and this one is 3 cube equals to 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y. Right? Look, now we can write, so we can conclude that, look, here is base is 2 and here base is 2. So we know once base are same, that time power will be equal. So we can say x equals to 6. Similar, here base is 3 and 3, so power will be y equals to 3. So our question is, then x plus y equals to, x is 6 plus y equals to 3, and our answer is 9. Clear? Very simple. If you understand this one, we can easily find out the value of k of number 5. If 2 times 5 to the power 9, we can write here 2 times 5 to the power 9 minus k times 5 to the power 8 equals to 2 times 5 to the power 8. So what is the value of k? We can write this one, look, here is 2 times 5 to the power 9, but here is 5 to the power 8, here is 5 to the power 8. So we can make this 5 to the power 9 to 5 to the power 8. How? 2 times 5 to the power 8. Because we know once, like a to the power m plus n, it means a to the power m times a to the power n. It means once, suppose a to the power 7, we can write a to the power 3 plus 4, right? So similar thing, here is 5 to the power 9, it means 5 to the power nothing means 1 times 5 to the power 8 minus k times 5 to the power 8 equals to 2 times 5 to the power 8. So we can take common 5 to the power 8. So here is 2 times 5 means 10 minus k equals to what? Here is 2 times 5 to the power 8. So we can out this 5 to the power 8, 5 to the power 8. It means we can divide both sides by what? 5 to the power 8. You may note, side note, write like this: divide 5 to the power 8 divide by 5 to the power 8 both side. Okay, now look, here is 10 minus k equals to 2. right? Then what is the value? We can transfer k to right side and 2 to left side. So 10 minus 2 equals to k. So 8 equals to 8. So answer is 8. Clear? Now number 6. If 12 to the power 99 minus 12 to the power 97 equals to 12 to the power 97 times n, what is the value of n? So similar, here is 12 to the power 99. We can write not 99, we can write 97 plus 2 minus 12 to the power 97 equals to 12 to the power 97 times n. So this one we can write 12 to the power 97 times 12 to the power 2 minus 12 to the power 97 equals to 12 to the power 97 times n. So we can take common 12 to the power 97. So here is 12 square, right? And here is minus 1 equals to here 12 to the power 97 times n. Now we can divide both sides by 12 to the power 97, right? 97. So here is 12 square minus 1 equals to 1. So here is equals to not 1 equals to n. So 12 square, what does mean 12 square? 12 square means 144, and here is minus 1 equals to n. So our answer is 143 equals to n. Clear? Answer what? 143. So these types of math is very important for IGCSE MCQ or SET MCQ. So you have to keep concentration about question and don't hesitate if you have any question regarding these types of matter. So if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends.